Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 7, duplicate the task. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on Applications. Go to All Applications. Scroll to the bottom of the screen to explore all the applications. Now navigate to Planner. Click on the plan for Computer Science Videos. Let's quickly create a task. Call this video. Set the due date. Let's just use the 1st of October. Assign this to myself and now add the task. In order for us to duplicate this task, we will click the 3 dots in the top right corner, more options. We will now copy the task and we will call this video 1. Plan name, we'll leave it as Computer Science Videos. Bucket name, we will leave this as to do. What we will do after this is create a new bucket name and then copy and paste to that bucket name. So assignment and dates we will also tick. You'll see why I'm doing that in a moment. And there we have the task itself duplicated. Everything is all the same except for the name, which is video and video 1. Now let's add a new bucket name. CSV. Let's now duplicate this task, video, move the task, or copy task and call this video 1 or video 2, bucket name, CSV, assignment, dates, copy, and there we have copy and pasted a task to the to-do bucket as well as the CSV bucket. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.